Okay, now we will try to understand in SQL. So already we have discussed that order by keyword used to sort out the record in ascending order by default. Okay, so that is what I told you, that order by SQL order by keyword by default used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order, but by default it will be used to sort out the data in ascending order by default. Okay, but if you want to sort out the data in descending order, so DSC keyword used. Order by keyword sorts the records in ascending by default in ascending order. Order by keyword, okay, by default it will sort the records in ascending order. So if you want to sort the records in descending order, use the DSC keyword and descending order keyword. So syntax is select, to select the all records from products table. Order by keyword used for price. DESC is what? For descending order. So whenever you do this one, you will get the record like this. So here price will be what? Price will be descending order. Descending order means what? From highest price to lowest price. So what will be the lowest price? That will be the last. What will be the lowest price? That is what? From highest price to lowest price. So this is the 2.5 is the price of lowest price. So that is here DSC keyword will be used along with order by keyword, okay, to for sorting out the records in descending order. And then so same order by keyword will be used for alphabetically, okay, string value. Suppose if it is used with string values, order by keyword will order alphabetically for string values. Before that we have used order by keyword with values, integer, float values. Now here if you want to use this order by keyword with the string values, by default it will order alphabetically. Okay, so let us see what is the syntax. Suppose from products table, syntax select star means, I told you that select keyword will be used, that is the major. Initially I have discussed the major commands of the SQL: select, update, insert, delete, okay, like that. So select keyword will be used to select the data, to take the data from the database. Within the database, this is the table name. So from keyword used to take the data from where. Star means all records. Order by will be used to sort out the records. Here order by will be used for here along with string values. So now product name. So product name is what? Product name is a column. So that will be having all the strings. So that strings will be sorted out by product name alphabetically. Okay, now if you run this code, you will see number of records 77. Within this product name, this is the product name. So alphabetical order. So Alice mutton, next A K L M N, okay, like this alphabetical order, sorted out in alphabet. So because product name is a string, so these are string type of, so all the strings will be sorted out alphabetically from alpha to then after last is what? Last is what? It is sorted out to last A to Z. A to Z. Okay. This is called alphabetical order. So order by keyword will be used along with order by keyword will be used for strings to sort out them alphabetically. Okay, so alphabetically descending order you want at that moment, so we need to use this DSC keyword along with the, okay, for reverse alphabetical means descending order. So select star from products, okay, order by product name DSC. This is what somewhat, okay. Now whenever you run this code, so whenever you run this code, so product name DSC, it will be sorted out product name from Z to reverse order, from Z to A. Okay, suppose if I want to, this is the, there is somewhat, this is only the string, so if we know the some more string names, okay, this is the word products, na? So we know that is what, if we take the, I can change the code from here. So initially our table has products table, one more table was there, that was there initially, it was syntax select. Here our table name was initially, it was customers, so we will use the customers, we will use the customers order by, okay, here I want to use customers, from customers I want to change this code, this table name as customers. Now semicolon. If I know order by price, but customers, I think there is no any price. Error. Why? Because characters found after end of, because there is no any price column is there. So in the customers table, I want to know that what is that. First of all, let me go for select and customer name city, from customers, so customer name, okay, we will go for that. So you come here, order by, here for alphabetical order, here this is the, I want to change, correct this, from products customers, okay, colon, then after I want to use customer name here, okay. Now run this code. Error. So you do one thing, order by city, order by city. Whenever you run this code, erroring, why we are getting, see, try to understand that. First of all, whenever you come here, select, here try to get the total name of the customer name, address, city, okay. This is what from customers table, that is what from customer table. So I want to sort out alphabetical order. So here from customers order by city. Now whenever I have changed the code, I want to sort out alphabetical order from customers table, customer name. Now it is sorted out in alphabetical order because this customer name is a string, okay. So now the string customer name sorted out alphabetical order, okay. This is, suppose if I want to, normally it was for products and product name. So here the